Evaluate integral over c z plus 4 by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz, where c is the circle mod z plus 1 minus I equal to 2. Okay. Evaluate this integral. First, we evaluate the singular points. Singular points. What is singularity? Singularity of a function is a point in which the function does not exist. That is, the denominator equal to 0. The denominator is 0 means the function does not exist. That is z square plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Then solve this equation and find the value of z. This is quadratic equation. Using the formula z equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? What is b? B is the coefficient of z. This is a z square plus b z plus c equal to 0 is the general form. A z square plus b z plus c equal to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation. So here minus b means minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is 2 square minus 4 a. What is a? It's 1 z square, a equal to 1 into c. What is c? It's 5 divided by 2a. 2 into 1, that is minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square is 4 minus 20 by 2, that is minus 2 plus or minus root, listen, 4 minus 20 is minus 16 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, what is root minus 16? What is root 16? Is 4 minus root 16, so it's minus, so 4i, root of minus 16 is 4i by 2, that is minus 2 by 2 plus or minus 4i by 2. Listen, minus 2 plus or minus 4i whole divided by 2 means minus 2 by 2 plus or minus 4i by 2. That is minus 2, 2 and 2 cancel, we get minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Minus 2 plus or minus 2i. That is z equal to minus 1 plus 2i, comma minus 1 minus 2i. The singular points are minus 1 plus or minus 2i, that is minus 1 plus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i. These are the singular points. Then we check the singular point inside the circle or outside the circle. First we take the point minus 1 plus 2i. Listen. We get z equal to minus 1 plus 2i, comma minus 1 minus 2i. First we take z equal to minus 1 plus 2i. What is the circle? The circle is mod z plus 1 minus I. That is equal to, put z equal to minus 1 plus 2i. That is mod minus 1 plus 2i. Here plus 1 minus I. We substitute z equal to minus 1 plus 2i. That is, listen, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. We get modulus 2i minus I. What is 2i minus I? It's I. 2i minus I means 2i minus 1i. That is 1i. It's I. Modulus of I. What is I? I is 0 plus I. Real part is 0. Here only the imaginary part, 1I. So the modulus of a complex number is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. That is root of 0 plus 1, which is root 1, that is 1. 1 is less than 2. Here equal to 2 is the circle. So less than 2. Means inside z equal to minus 1 plus 2i is inside the circle. Inside the circle. Then we check minus 1 minus 2i. Listen. Next we take z equal to minus 1 minus 2i. That is mod z plus I, z plus 1 minus I. That is equal to mod. Put z equal to minus 1 minus 2i. That is minus 1 minus 2i plus 1 minus I. That is equal to mod minus 1 plus 1 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then minus 2i minus I. Means minus 2i minus 1i is minus 3i. This is real part 0. 0 minus 3i. That is square root of, again modulus of a complex number, square root of real part square. 0 square plus minus 3 imaginary part square. That is root of 0 plus 3 square minus 3 square, 9. That is 3. 3 is greater than 2. So z equal to minus 1 minus 2i is outside the circle. That is one point z equal to minus 1 plus 2i is inside the circle. Another point minus 1 minus 2i is outside the circle. Then we evaluate this integral using Cauchy's integral formula. Listen. Cauchy's integral formula. Here we get minus 1, z equal to minus 1 plus 2i inside. Z equal to minus 1 minus 2i is outside points. Then evaluate this integral over c, z plus 4 by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz. That is equal to integral over c. The denominator can be written as values. The roots are minus 1 plus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i. So write the factor z minus 1 plus 2i into z minus 1 minus 2i. These are the roots. So we can write the factors are z minus 1 plus 2i and z minus 1 minus 2i. So dz. Listen. By Cauchy's integral formula. What is Cauchy's integral formula? Integral over c f of z by z minus a dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Here a is inside point. That is, here this integral over c z plus 4 by z minus 1 plus 2i into z minus 1 plus 2i, minus 1 minus 2i dz is equal to, compare these two LHS, compare. Here z minus 1 is the factor of a. A is inside point. Here which point is inside? Minus 1 plus 2i. That is minus 1 plus 2i. This point is inside point. The remaining term is z plus 4 by z minus of minus 1 minus 2i is the function f of z. That is, here f of z equal to, this is the term minus 1 plus 2i is inside point. So this is the factor z minus a. The remaining term is f of z. Z plus 4 by z minus of minus 1 minus 2i. Then which is equal to, by Cauchy's integral formula, which is equal to 2 pi I into f of inside point. What is the inside point? Minus 1 plus 2i. Here we get f of z. So we find f of minus 1 plus 2i. What is f of minus 1 plus 2i? Put z equal to minus 1 plus 2i. That is minus 1 plus 2i plus 4 divided by z is minus 1 plus 2i. Then open the bracket using this minus sign. Minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus 2i. That is, listen, that is equal to 2i. Here plus 4 minus 1 plus 3 by minus 1 plus 1 0. 2i plus 2i 4i. So we substitute here 2 pi I into f of minus 1 plus 2i is 2i plus 3 by 4i. Listen, I and I get cancelled. 2 by here 2, we get 2. That is, the final answer is here pi 2i plus 3. That is pi into 3 plus 2i by 2. Listen, pi into 2i plus 3 is 3 plus 2i. Same, first we write the real part. So we write 3. 3 plus 2i by, the denominator is 2. Final answer is pi by 2 into 3 plus 2i is the answer.